People often ask me what is the best part of traveling, and I tell them to each their own. As for me, I like looking outside the window and watching people and places pass by. Sometimes it's the nature, sometimes it's the people, or the buildings. Each tells a different story. You just need to be curious enough to listen. Hampi, also known as the City of Ruins, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located on the banks of the Tungabhadra River in the eastern part of central Karnataka. It used to be the capital of Vijayanagara Empire in the 14th century. Today, it is known for its unique rocky landscape dotted with ancient temple ruins and pilgrimage sites. Traveling to Hampi has always been on my wish list, and I'm super excited to be sharing this journey with you.
It's 9:30 and we have reached this place. We're gonna take our breakfast here and we'll be leaving shortly. Hey guys, so the breakfast is here. This is what we have ordered. Masala dosa and some onion dosa. So guys, this is the place where we had our breakfast. We just finished our breakfast and then we'll be moving ahead now. Hey guys, so we have reached Hampi. We did not have much time, so I had to just quickly go to the hotel, get freshen up, and we have reached the place. So the first place that we are seeing is Narasimha Lakshmi Temple. I think it's called the other way around, Lakshmi Narasimha Temple. I'm going to show you how grand this statue is. It's actually 6.7 meters in height. So guys, as you can see how grand this statue is, this is one of the finest example of the kind of statues that were built during the Vijayanagara Empire. So right now we are on our way towards the other temples. Let's just explore the place. I'm not taking any guide. The moment you enter this place, it feels like you have come to some different era. I mean, it's beautiful. You have so many structures everywhere, you know, surrounded. And it's fascinating to learn the history behind all these sculptures and all the temples. So we're gonna go and see which one is the next one. I have no clue, and I mean, fortunately, unfortunately, there aren't many people, but we can clearly see that tourism has started to, you know, come back to life. So guys, right now we are inside the Krishna temple, and I can't even explain in words how beautiful this is. So guys, this temple name is Hemakutta Temple, and the temple is actually dedicated to Lord Hanuman. All the pillars have got the drawings of Lord Hanuman. So guys, behind me is Mathanga temple. We're gonna go explore the Mathanga temple because it's looking pretty interesting from here. Guys, this place is amazing. This place looks like some ancient, I don't know, ancient town or city or something like that. It's amazing place. We can see the great bull structure. There's a huge bull structure, and I think that's the place of worship. We'll go check that out. So guys, this is the monolithic bull, which means that this entire bull structure was actually carved out of a single rock. So you can imagine during that period, I mean, the kind of technology they must have had or the artistry they must have had to do something like that. Guys, I can't even explain how beautiful the site is. Just have a look at this. It looks like some ancient remains of the past, you know, like just beautiful. It's unimaginable. I mean, wow. So guys, this behind me is Achyutaraya temple, and it's actually at the foot of the hill. The hill name is Matanga Hill. So I am going to give you a tour of the temple and enjoy the cinematic shots. So guys, the sun is about to set. We have had an awesome day. I'm not sure if we have been able to cover the entire area, so probably we'll try and come back here later. But then for now, we are heading back to hotel so that we could just put an end to the day and like take a good rest, and tomorrow morning starts a new day.